All right, Mo, why don't you tell us a little bit about why service providers need to be thinking about AI voice?
Yeah, great question. For decades, service providers invested in creating, building, and scaling their networks to offer consumers and businesses alike services, like communication services. And that created a monetization gap in the recent years. You see, with AIs, there's a lot of over-the-top providers coming in and utilizing, we call it the highway that the service provider created, and collecting that tolls. Service providers should not be missing on that, and they should be leading that innovation and creation of new services to consumers and businesses.
So how do they go about doing that and setting out an AI strategy without overcomplicating how they work and how they function?
Great question. The first thing is that they need to get their networks ready to consume these services. And they have to focus on high impact use cases that bring immediate values to customers. And that happens by partnerships. You have to partner with a lot of developers today creating AI applications that have relevance into the markets. Consumers want to use them, businesses want to use them, and service providers have to find a way to bring these together and combine them with the network that they've spent decades building.
Sure. And I know you will have contact with lots of partners, especially here in Barcelona. How do you guys fit into that journey then of AI voice implementation?
Yeah, we at Alianza created a unique market category in this industry. We call it the Intelligent Communications Fabric that allows us to bring the world of AI and communications together. And we do that at multiple levels. So we can bring in application developers that invested in AI and integrate that with the service providers' networks. At the same time, there are unique cases that service providers want, and we have a services team at Alianza that can build and scale and deploy and support that for service providers.
Brilliant. Well, thanks very much, Mo.
Absolutely. Thank you.